Hi guys, Yoma and I decided to take some cool photos today and to kind of go to different cafes in the city and take some snaps. So hopefully it works out. We're not fully prepared and we're still testing out many things with the new camera. I have a couple of t-shirts in my backpack which I plan to change. Probably they're already super on iron, but yeah, we just go with the flow and we're gonna try to make our best. So let's go! So we just came to one of my favorite places in Frankfurt. It's cafe and yoga studio in once, and it's very crowded on Sunday, but I still hope that we are gonna be able to take some really cool photos. So yeah, let's go!
Okay, so I guess we are filming.
Yes.
Too many wires running around. This is our first vlog. We are in Frankfurt and testing out new camera. We are filming out in S-Log2 with the ND filter on. Hopefully it looks nice in the end.
We basically have not that much equipment with us, but still enough to make sure that we can film with audio.
I think it's enough for the first take. This is vlog baby.
Vlog baby.
As you search forever inward to my soul, as you look deeper, break the walls, build a picture. One day I will see it clearer. Touch you softly, you will shiver.
So now we came to a second cafe, also in the center of the city. It's very crowded, that's why we don't have much possibility to take different shots. So I wanted also to show you this color checker that we use to kind of set the right colors, white balance, exposure when we film videos. So you're going to use this part, the color checker, to set the white balance before you start shooting, and then you're going to rotate it and actually correct the exposure while you're shooting. So if you're interested in how exactly we use this color checker, let me know in the comment below, especially if you're interested in how to use it in combination with Final Cut Pro.
This is called
Dead cat.
dead cat. In reality, this is called wind shield because it's shields from wind.
I like that cat. If you want to make something like a brand photo shoot in a cafe, never do it on the weekends because it's very crowded. And yeah, we couldn't do as much as we wanted, but we still managed to take some cool pics, hopefully. What do you think about the new camera?
I very much like the Sony's custom menus, so I can do 10-15 settings, and then this is gonna be saved as a preset, and I can save 3 of them on the camera and additionally 4 on the SD card.
So
and
it's kind of easy to switch between photo and video.
So for instance, one I set for slow-mo, one I set for video normal, and one for photography. I also love the ability of locking the white balance. This camera has always had the lock white balance functionality, but this one particularly, starting A6400, you can firstly let the camera decide what the white balance is. So for instance, when we cannot use the color checker, you just let the camera decide what is the white balance, and then you just toggle it on. So you say like, lock my white balance, the one which camera now identified, and this is super important because it's no good when on one video clip your white balance jumps.
Yeah.
No matter how good your exposure is, no matter how good your light situation is, if it becomes yellow or blue at one point of time, or green, yeah.
So from the new equipment today we tried the new camera, we tried the color checker, we are trying currently the dead cat, so we're going to see the difference in the sound
and
or
also
in the audio.
this very nice hand strap.
And strap. Also, the bag is pretty nice that we bought. We were thinking between two bags. We initially liked the smaller version more, but I think this one turned out better because it has more space.
Yeah.
We bought some cleaning stuff as well, with which we're so far not very impressed with. And finally, we also use the tripod, which we have for quite a lot of time, and it's very good, super sturdy.
It's a German company. I've seen them also live, and I was just impressed for the value that you can get a really nice and sturdy tripod that can pick up to 20 kilograms of equipment. It's only 120 or 130 euros. And the most important, it's carbon. So usually for this price category, you're looking at tripods that are not sturdy enough, or they are aluminium, meaning they're heavier. This one is quite lightweight.
It's very light.
What's also cool about it, you can detach one leg out of three and use it as a monopod. Tripod is 3 legs, monopod is 1 leg.
And that's it for now. So we're still going to experiment with the equipment and see how it goes. This is just the first day that we've been using it, so I'm sure we are going to find out more things about the things we bought.
We hope you like this video. We hope you like the B-roll, and let us know what you think about it. Let us know what you think about the footage, about the color grade. Share your experience if you've been using Sony cameras. What are your experiences if you've been shooting with S-Log 2? What are your preferred settings? This would be of much help to us.
If you're interested in more videos of this style, I guess, let us know in the comments below, because it was really fun to shoot them. It was not script, it was just very casual. We didn't even know that we are going to do this video, so we'll be curious to know what you think about it.